Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing 3 main pigments and a white base for control. Measure 3 parts ultramarine blue and 2 parts phthalo blue on a clean palette. Add 1 part titanium white to soften the hue while keeping depth. If you need a cooler tint, add 1 to 5 drops of phthalo green and mix slowly. For less gloss and less yellowing, use 1/4 part zinc white instead of more titanium white. Scrape and remix until the color reads as a balanced azure. Control the tone by adding small measured adjustments to the mixed azure. To mute and deepen, mix up to 10% burnt umber into the batch and test on paper. To create brighter sky shades, increase titanium white up to 15% and avoid over-whitening. For subtle warming, add 2 drops of cadmium red and blend thoroughly. This prevents a shift toward purple. If you want a cooler, glassy azure, introduce a single drop of phthalo green and reassess the balance. Prepare the mixed azure for application by testing viscosity and coverage on scrap. Thin with 1 to 2 drops of linseed oil per tablespoon of paint for smoother brushwork and effective glazing. For water-based systems, use 3 to 5 drops of acrylic medium instead, not oil. Always test the color on the final surface under daylight and incandescent lighting before committing. After the paint cures for 2 to 4 weeks, apply a satin varnish to protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.